So scalar, you can simply say scalar products of two vectors or dot products. And now to this point here. So before it, what we have to do? We have to know angle between two vectors. Clear? Clear? So for angle between two vectors, if you can make like this, then you can take it as a theta. You can take this one as a O, this one as a A, and this one as a B. Clear? A, O, B, and this one is a theta. If you can make a parallel line, now you can draw a parallel line this one, and you can draw a parallel line to this one. This line parallel to OB, and this line parallel to this one take as a PQ, and this one take as a RS. Is it clear? One as a RS and one as a PQ. Means what you can simply say, RS is parallel to OB and PQ is parallel to OA. Clear? So RS parallel to OB and you can say PQ parallel to OA. Was that clear? RS parallel to OB and PQ parallel to OA. Clear? So what you can say simply that if you can take angle AOB equal to theta. If you can take angle AOB and angle AOB is equal to theta. Is it clear? So angle AOB is equal to theta and theta is the angle between the PQ and RS. You can simply say the theta is the angle between PQ and RS. Have a look. When theta is equal to pi by 2, clear? If you can go for a theta, the theta value will exist from 0 less than equal to theta less than pi. Is it clear? Clear? So you can say simply that theta belongs to equal to 0 or equal to pi, greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to pi. Is it clear? थीटा की जो वैल्यू है इन दोनों के बीच में क्या करेंगे? ऑसिलेट करेंगे या दोनों के इक्वल भी हो सकता है। इज इट क्लियर? आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो 0, 5. Is it clear? The value of theta is. Now what we have angle AOB equal to theta. If theta is equal to pi by 2. Is it clear? If you can take theta is equal to pi by 2 means 90 degree. At that time vector PQ and RS are perpendicular to each other. Both PQ and RS perpendicular to each other. Is it clear? PQ and RS are perpendicular to each other. And when theta is equal to 0 degree, if you can take theta is equal to 0. Is it clear? When you can take theta is equal to 0 degree, then you can take that the vector PQ and RS are like vectors. Is it clear? PQ and RS are like vectors. Is it clear? PQ and RS are like vectors. Clear? And when you can take theta is equal to pi, if you can take theta is equal to pi, so PQ and RS. If you can talk about PQ and RS, and when you can take theta is equal to pi, so you can get that PQ and RS are like vectors, and they are, you can say simply, if they are like vectors. So PQ when theta is equal to pi, PQ and RS are unlike vectors. When theta is equal to 0, PQ and RS are like vectors. Is it clear? And when you can take theta is equal to pi by 2, then PQ, then you can say simply RS perpendicular to PQ, or you can say simply PQ perpendicular to RS. Between them, the angle will be 90 degree. Is it clear? So, give me one page. Book they have also. So we have to talk about the product of two vectors. If you can talk about the product of two vectors. So first we will deal with the scalar product, then we will deal with the vector product. Scalar product, we have to deal first with the scalar product. That if you can talk about the scalar product, is it clear? If you can talk about the scalar or dot product of two vectors, what you can do? You can take it 0 to 8 and here it will be Is that clear? Now what we have, you can take the vector A here, you can take the vector B here. Is it clear? OA equal to vector A and OB equal to vector B. Clear? So according to this, what we are getting, that if you can talk about dot products A dot B, A dot B. The result will for the A dot B vector is mod A mod B cos theta. Is it clear? Mod A mod B cos theta. Is it clear? Mod A mod B cos theta. Mod A mod B cos theta. Is it clear? Mod A mod B cos theta, you can say A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. Is it clear? A dot B equal to mod A mod B cos theta, A dot B equal to AB cos theta. Mod A mod B means it's showing the magnitude. Is it clear? Mod A mod B means showing the magnitude of which magnitude? Magnitude of the vector. If you can take the magnitude of the vector A, it will be normal. Is it clear? So simply A dot B equal to AB cos theta. Any doubt up to this point? Clear? So and the theta will lie from 0 to pi. Is it clear? So when you can talk about the remarks related to the dot product A dot B cos theta, that if A equal to 0 or B equal to 0, means both A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, so what will happen? A dot B also equal to 0. Simply write, you can say if A equal to 0 first and B equal to 0, so A dot B equal to 0. Is it clear? A dot B is equal to 0. If A and B are like vectors, we have theta equal to 0. If you can take second, if A and B both vectors are like vectors, clear? So at that time what will happen? Theta will be equal to 0, as I told in the last one. When they are like vector, theta will be 0. At theta equal to 0, then both A and B are like vector. Vice versa will also work here. In the same way, if the two vectors are unlike vectors, clear? That A and B are unlike vectors, so what will happen? If theta equal to 0, what will happen? So A dot B equal to AB cos 0. What is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 equal to 1, so it will be AB. Is it clear? Now if you can talk about the theta equal to pi, simply, or you can take when the two vectors are unlike vector, you will get theta equal to pi. Both conditions are right. Clear? Two vectors are unlike vectors. Unlike vectors, two vectors are unlike vectors. So A vector and B vectors are unlike, then theta is equal to pi. Pi means 180 degree. So A dot B is equal to AB cos pi. That one is minus AB. Is it clear? A dot B equal to minus AB. Is it clear? Any doubt up to this point? Clear? Because cos pi equal to minus b, so it will be multiply and you will get. Clear? If you can go for A and B are orthogonal, orthogonal means perpendicular to each other. If A and B are orthogonal, so what you will get? A and B are orthogonal, then at that time theta equal to pi by 2. So you will get AB cos pi by 2, and what is the value of cos 90? 0. So it will be equal to 0. When you can talk about theta equal to pi by 2, at that time A dot B equal to 0. Any doubt up to this point? No doubt at all. Now we will talk about the projection of vectors. Clear? We will talk about the projection of vectors. If you can talk about projections of vector. projections of vector. Clear? If you can talk about the projection of vector, you can take PQ. Is it clear? You will take PQ. Clear? If you can take PQ, clear? You have a PQ. Now what we will do? CD. Is it clear? And then if you can talk about this one as a B. Is it clear? And here it will be equal to theta and 1 is equal to A. Clear? Now what we will do? Projection of AB on PQ. The projection of AB on PQ. Projection is simply that you are projecting something, that you are making something. Projecting means, let us suppose I am here, I am presenting my lecture. Clear? I am presenting my lecture means I am mounting something. Is it clear? So I am just going through that. I have to go for one thing, that I have to complete the syllabus. Clear? And what happened? After some time, whatever the thinking I have regarding to vector, it will be in the syllabus after some time. So this type of projections going on. Clear? So this one is PQ. Clear? This one you can take CD, and here AB. The projection of AB on PQ. Clear? Is simply the projection of AB on the PQ is simply defined as is the line segment CD where C and D are the foot of perpendicular. C and D are the foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular means AC is perpendicular. This one you can say. What we have, BD is perpendicular. This one also perpendicular, and this one also. This one is the foot of the perpendicular. AC work is the foot of perpendicular. This one work is the foot of the perpendicular. Clear? So projection of AB on PQ. What is your BD? Projection of AB on PQ. किसका projection? AB का projection किसके ऊपर? That one is PQ के ऊपर. Is it clear? So both are working as a foot of perpendicular. If both are working as a foot of perpendicular, which is drawn from A and B. Clear? जो A और B दोनों से ड्रॉन किए गए, एक A से यहाँ पर ड्रॉन किया गया PQ के ऊपर और B से ड्रॉन किया गया PQ के ऊपर. तो दोनों का फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर कहाँ लाई कर रहा है? PQ के ऊपर लाई कर रहा है. क्लियर? तो मतलब कि आपने प्रोजेक्शन किया हुआ, उसके बाद आपने ये लाइन ड्रॉ की, चाहे जो भी किया. AB this one and this one. Clear? Both are. So from A and B दोनों पॉइंट से आपने क्या किया? इसके ऊपर PQ के ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर डॉट किया. क्लियर? सो प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ A on B. क्लियर? प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ A on B. क्लियर? प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ A on B. Is it clear? Projection of A on B means if you can take let two vectors A and B and theta be the angle between them. Clear? We have two vectors A and B and theta be the angle between them. So what you are actually getting? A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. Is it clear? A dot B equal to AB cos theta. Actually, this one if you can go for a modulus, so this will work as a magnitude. Is it clear? This will work as a magnitude. Is it clear? Mod A, mod B cos theta. Is it clear? So from here if you can go for the projection, that if you can go for a let two vector A and B and theta be the angle between them. So A dot B equal to mod A mod B cos theta. So what you are actually getting, that if you can go for a vector A, so what will happen for the vector A? Clear? So you can go simply that A dot B divided by B is equal to mod A cos theta. You can simply write that A dot B upon B is equal to mod A cos theta. This one is the remaining thing only. Clear? A cos theta. Is it clear? So simply if you can go for B divided by modulus B, right? B, if you can separate it, B divided by modulus B. This one is the unit vector, right? This one is a unit vector, right? This one. This is the formula for calculating the unit vector. So B cap, is it clear? B cap, where B cap is a unit vector, and everybody know about the unit vector at that time. Unit vector shows only the direction. So you can simply write. A dot B is equal to A dot B. So simply if you can write B dash upon divided by B dash is equal to B cap. A dot B cap. You can write this one change it. A B cap is equal to mod A of B. Is it clear? Any doubt to this one? No problem at all. So what you are getting, A vector multiplied with B cap is equal to mod A cos theta. Clear? So simply you can write that. Do you know about the cos theta from here? If you can go for the cos theta from here, you will get the value. From this triangle, if you can calculate cos theta will be ON divided by, if you can take ON divided by OA. If you can take this one as a ON. If you can take it as a O and this one as a N. Is it clear? So this will become as ON. Sine, everybody know? Perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Cos base divided by this one. So this one divided by this one. If you can take it as if you can separate it separately, if you can take O N, right? If you can take O N, and here you can take A. Right, like this. So what you will get? This one divided by this one. ON divided by OA. Is it clear? And vector A, here vector A is going on. Clear? If this one is in vector A, so this will also equal to OA. Is it clear? So you can simply write that OA multiplied with ON divided by OA here. So you can write it A vector to B vector equal to O and divided by OA on the place of cos theta. Is it clear? And on the place of A, we have OA. Is it clear? When it will be cancel out, what will be the remaining? This will cancel out with this one, you will get only ON. Is it clear? You will get only ON, this one. Is it clear? And when you will get ON, that one is projection of A on B. इसका projection of A on B, because this one working as a vector B, this one working as a vector A. So you can simply write projection of A on B. Is it clear? So simply you can write projection of A vector on B vector. Is it clear? So this one is the actual meaning of projection of A on B. Means projection of A on B is equal to A vector multiplied with B unit vector. Is it clear? This one is an actual projection. Is it clear? This one is the meaning of actual projection. Clear? Any doubt? Now come on the properties of a scalar product. You know very well about the properties of a scalar product. In physics also it's completed. Properties of vector product is very important. A scalar product you know very well. So no need to tell about this property. And the question will come, we will complete the questions more and more. Now we have to talk about the vector multiplication. Right? We have to start vector product of two vectors. It's most important topic. Clear? Nehru? Vector product of two vectors. Clear? When you talk about vector product of two vectors, so here we have two vectors A and B. Clear? If you can take two vectors, if one vector, if you can go for right hand or left hand, this one is my left and this one is my right. If I will take finger is pointing in the direction of vector A. On curling the second finger, the third finger is pointing in the direction of vector B. Clear? Like this. The thumb will indicate the direction of vector N, means N cap. Simply, that one is unit vector. So if you can go for this one, is it clear? One vector is in, and if you can curl it, pointing in that direction, if you can curl it, it will show the vector B. So, if you can talk about the vector or cross product, is simply known as the cross product also. I will tell you how it. So, A cross B, if you can take A cross B, that one is AB sine. Is it clear? Simple. There, in the same way, all it will be equal to mod A sine theta and clear? This one is about the cross product of the vector. In the physics also completed how the sine theta is coming and cos theta is coming there. I told you in the mechanics also. So A cross B is equal to AB sine theta. That one is A modulus A sine theta. Is it clear? Now what we will do? If you can go for the vector definition, that how the vector A cross B and B cross A, clear? So what actually you are getting, that A cross B is equal to B cross B or not, we have to prove. A cross B क्या B cross A के इक्वल है या नहीं, पहले आप जब हम A cross B की बात करेंगे, अगर हम यहाँ से ड्रॉ करें, now we have this one A, this one is clear? Read out up to this point. This one is vector A. अब हम बात करेंगे क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. Here the angle is 2. We are going from here to here, A to B, right? Yes. ये क्या है आपका? क्लॉकवाइज. ये आपका क्या है? Right? Note. You are going from A to B. You are going from A to B. You are going in this anti-clockwise. Okay? You are going from A to B, so you can write A cross B. A पहले लिखेंगे और B को क्या लिखेंगे बाद में. Vector A cross vector B. A cross B. A को पहले क्यों लिखा? Why it is the priority? Because A. This one is B. Is it clear? So what we have? A cross B. Clear? So if you can write it, you will get modulus A, modulus B, sine theta. You get this one. This will show the resultant direction and cap. But if you can change the concept in the same diagram, if you can change B to A, if you can go for this one, if you are coming from B to A, B will be priority, and then it will backside, B to A. Now you are going from B to A. If you can go for B to A, then what you have? You are going this side from A to B. Now you are going B to A. B से A की तरफ आ रहा है. So what the theta will be? Theta will be in negative form. Theta will be, the sense of theta will be negative. If the sense of theta will be negative, so what will happen? That one is, if you are going from B to A, that one is B cross A. Modulus B multiply with modulus A sine minus theta. Is it clear? Modulus B modulus is sin minus theta, right? You will get sin minus theta minus sin theta minus BA sin theta. You are getting minus BA sin theta. Is that clear? That you are getting minus BA sin theta. Is it clear? If you are getting minus BA sin theta, so what you are getting? So simply you can say, or you can write, इसको ऐसे भी लिखा जा सकता है माइनस ए बी साइन थीटा, ए बी सही है, माइनस बी ए साइन थीटा और माइनस ए बी साइन थीटा। अब ये जो रिजल्ट आया था ए क्रॉस बी का, देखिए आया, ये रिजल्ट इससे क्या हो रहा है, मैच कर रहा है। मैच कर रहा है मतलब इसका ये हो गया ए क्रॉस बी जगह यहाँ पे अगर हम ये रिजल्ट को कॉपी करें, यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, same result copy. If we will put this one here, so this one equal to this one, so this will be here, so negative will be included. So A cross B is equal to minus A cross B. Is it clear? A cross B is equal to minus A cross B. And this kind of condition will take anti-clockwise and clockwise will change. Is it clear? So you can say vector product is not commutative. The vector product commutative नहीं है. So simply आप write कर सकते हैं that A cross B not equal to B cross B. Any problem with this one? Clear? Clear? Right? Now what we will do? We will go for some useful results. If you can talk about some useful results, what you will get? I cap, J cap and K cap. Here I cap, J cap and K cap. Clear? Here I, J and K are mutually perpendicular to each other. As I told, if you can draw the axis, you will get J cap, I cap and K cap. Y, X. Clear? Get out? So they are mutually perpendicular to each other. If they are mutually perpendicular to each other, I cap, j cap, and k cap are mutually perpendicular to each other. So what we have? Simply, when you can talk about both the cross product of the vector, I cap cross I cap, j cap cross j cap, and k cap cross k cap. I cap cross I cap is equal to j cap cross j cap is equal to k cap cross k cap. This one is equal to 0. Is it clear? I cap cross I cap is equal to 0. J cap cross j cap equal to 0 and k cap cross k cap equal to 0. But if you can take in the same pattern I dot I, what? K dot k cap dot and equal to, you can take j cap dot j. A dot A.
0.
A dot A 0.
No sir, 1 1.
1 or something A square. A square.
E dot A means sine 90.
I cap dot I cap is equal to 1. No problem. Both are even vectors. But A dot A square, it will be. What it will be? Simply, on the place of the B, we have only A. So A multiply with this one. Simple. Here this one is unit vector, right? This one is not unit vector. When A work as a unit vector, at that time anything will happen. But I work as a unit vector, so I cap dot I cap, you are getting 1 is right. K cap dot k cap 1, j cap dot j cap 1, you are right. Is it clear? But here I cap dot I cap, j cap dot j cap, k cap dot k cap. Because in cross product, one thing needed, that when you are curling your fingers and we are getting angle will be on the, because I cap cross I cap, the same will be there, nothing changes. I cap dot I cap, j cap cross j cap, same will be the cross. So what you will get? You will get it, the value will be 0. But if you are talking about the rest of the things, that when you can talk about the A cross B, B cross A or something like that, at that time you will get that it will be equal to sin k. In the same pattern, you have if you have I cross j cap, j cross k cap, k cross I cap. Clear? I cross j cap, I cross j. अब यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो, पहले हम इधर से बात करें. You can talk about this side. Watch इधर से चलती है, ये है clock, and this one is anti. ध्यान दो. You are starting from anti-clockwise. तो values क्या होंगी? Positive. ध्यान है? No doubt at all. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, आप बता दीजिए. I को हम J के साथ ले रहे हैं anti-clockwise. I cap cross J cap is equal to I cap cross J cap. ये दोनों नहीं है तो वैल्यू क्या होगी? ये बचेगी. क्या बचेगा? फिर J को K के, J cap cross K cap. रिमेनिंग क्या बचेगा? Remaining I. I to J, J to K, and K to I. The value will be J. Is it clear? Now we will go for anti-clockwise. This one is about the clockwise. Is it clear? Now we will go anti-clockwise. Sorry, clockwise. Now we will move clockwise. Anti-clockwise completed. Now we will move clockwise. This side. If you can move this side, what you will get? Your values. K to K cap cross J cap minus I cap. J cap cross I cap you will get minus k, and then I cap cross k cap is equal to minus y. If you are talking to this one and this one, you are moving in this direction. What will be the remaining? This will be this will be. Is it clear? And as I told, A cross B and B cross A, that you are getting minus theta. Clear? So in the same pattern, you will get minus I, minus K, minus J. Then you can talk about clockwise. And you can talk about anti-clockwise, you will get the same pattern. Is it clear? Madam?
Yes.
Clear? Vector product expressed as a determinant. Vector product expressed as a determinant. You have a vector A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 A cap. V vector you will go A2 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 sorry V2 V1 V2 and is it clear? V1 V2 and V3. Now if you can talk about the cross product A cross B. So A cross B, we have to show that clear?
Yes.
And out, याद तो बोलो कुछ बच गया नहीं this one A3 B3 K cap cross K cap plus
J I C. First one. Second one.
plus A2
B1.
yeah B1 is A2 B1 J cap into
I can.
plus what you are getting here A3 B3
A3 B1.
A3 yeah A3
B1.
B1 K cap into I cap plus A3 B2 K cap into cross right देखो ये वैल्यू जीरो होगी कौन से जीरो हो जाए पहले देखो ये जीरो
J cross J.
J cross J है J cross zero all three are zero ये जीरो को ऐसे यहाँ से एलिमिनेट करो इसको एलिमिनेट करो ये यहाँ से एलिमिनेट करो this one zero ऊपर कोई बात this one zero and this one zero I cross J cap. What I told you?
K cap. K cap.
K cap. A1 B1 K cap. May I write K cap? I K
Minus J cap.
minus right. Again A2 B3 J cap K cap. What? J cap K cap?
I cap.
I cap plus I cap. Right? Now what here we have to write?
J. K cap.
Here.
Yes, sir.
Here. Here.
J cap.
J cap. Here.
Minus I cap.
Minus I cap. Minus I cap. And now what we have to do, we have A1 B2 K cap minus A1 B3 J cap, A2 B3 I cap, A2 B1 K cap, A3 B1 J cap minus A3 B2 I cap. We have noted it down. So if we have this kind of thing, that you are getting I cap, K cap, J cap and K cap. Here also you are getting I, J and K. Is it clear? So if you can write it in the determinant form, you will get on the place of it you are getting A1 B2 K cap, A1 B3 J cap, A2 B1 K cap plus A2 B3 I cap plus A3 B1 J cap minus A3 B2 I cap. That's it. Now what we will do? I cap one side, J cap one side and K cap one side. Right? So if you can write it, I cap, in which we have I cap, this one I cap, this one I cap. A2 B3 minus A3 B2 I cap plus J cap
A3 B1 or A minus
A3 B1 minus
A1 B3.
A1 B3 J cap plus what we have?
K cap.
What?
A1 B2 plus
A1 B2
plus B2 no, A2 B1
plus A2 B1
K cap.
plus here what?
Yes, sir.
A1 B2 K cap A2 B1 B2. Something is wrong here. It's not positive, it will come negative. All will be negative. A2 B3 A1 B2 minus A2 B1, right? It's negative. It will come negative. This value will be negative. Clear? Now we will write it in the form of a determinant. Simply it's you know very well. यही expression it is का determinant. Determinant का expression what we have to write I J cap K cap. इसका जब write करेंगे so A1 A2 A3 B1 B2. Is it clear? This will be the extension. Is it clear? अगर इसको एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो ये किसकी इक्वल है? यह डिटरमिनेंट फॉर्म है. मतलब अगर हमारे पास दो वेक्टर्स हैं इस तरह के कार्टेशियन I J and K के फॉर्म में, सो यू कैन सॉल्व द डिटरमिनेंट. आप इसका एक्सटेंशन आप जानते हैं. क्लियर? वेरी गुड. द सेम विल कम. Is it clear? So that's it from my side. We have now we have a few questions we have to solve. Application of vector products, we have lots of questions are given. We have to complete the questions. But this one was the last. We have only question. All concept nearby. Only questions are remaining. After this, we have to complete the questions. Is it clear? All the concepts completed. Thank you for time. जितने भी एनसीईआरटी में क्वेश्चन